Hello everyone, my name is Luis Rafael Games and welcome to this meeting. I'm glad you make it. Today I'm gonna teach you how to retrieve information from a user, whether it's a password or a username or whatever they're doing on their desktop. You're gonna be able to pull it out. This is gonna be made using a software called a keylogger, and it's very simple to use. And in this video, I'm gonna make a little introduction about a keylogger, how to use it, and how to set it up. So before getting started, let me warn you something. This is just for educational purposes, and none of the contents of this video should be used to harm anybody or user in any illegal way. So let's get this started. Let me open the PDF presentation, and here we go. So like I said, my name is Luis Rafael Games. I belong to Florida International University. I'm a student from Professor Faisal Kalim on ethical hacking for summer courses, and this is going to be my presentation. So let's start. So what's a keylogger? A keylogger or keystroke logging, often referred as a keylogging, is the action of recording or logging the strokes on a keyboard, typically in a combined manner, so that the person using the keyboard is unaware of their action. So, for example, if I get keylogged and I'm typing my password or my username or everything is going to be recorded without my concern, and the information is going to be sent to the hacker via email or via whatever he wants, via USB drive, which means that he can put a USB drive on my computer and retrieve all the information. This is gonna vary depending on the user that you're gonna on the keylogger that the user is gonna be using. So, like I said, there are many types of keyloggers. We can call them by software or hardware. The software type is the one that is programmable. So you're not gonna be physically you're not gonna never catch it physically, but it's gonna be installed on your computer without your concern and execute all these actions. And the hardware type is gonna be look like a USB drive. So be careful on that, ladies and gentlemen. Always this is one of the countermeasures. The countermeasure for for being keylogged. Always check your computer. Always check the computer you're gonna be sitting on, because we don't ever know what is behind the scene. So for this video, I'm gonna be using easy tools. The first one is going to be VirtualBox, which is going to be creating a virtual environment and help me out to simulate a victim. I'm going to be using Windows 7, Windows 8, and the emissary keylogger, which is a keylogger as well. So having said that, let's get started with the action. So the first and foremost, I'm gonna open the virtual environment. This is gonna, like I said, this is gonna help me out to execute or to play the role of a victim. I'm gonna start the virtual machine. Yes, I'll be back whenever the system is on. See you in a moment. Okay, here I'm back. Here I am with my virtual environment. What I'm doing here is just that I'm gonna simulate the hacker itself. So okay, let's suppose that I'm the hacker right now. I'm just opening my desktop here, as we always do. Okay, it's already open, and as you can see, I already downloaded the keylogger. If you want to get this keylogger, just write the name of the keylogger, which is emissary keylogger, on Google, and well, find the server who has it and then download it. Just to cover your, I always recommend if you're gonna be using a freeware, freeware means that you don't have to pay for this. So the consequences of this is that you're not secure who did this. So you're not secure what is going behind the curtain of the software when it is being executed. So I always recommend, if you're gonna use this kind of software, to always cover yourself. Do it, run it in a virtual environment so your computer doesn't get hacked or doesn't get infected with any virus or something like that. So here I am with I'm simulating right now being the hacker. I'm gonna open the software, which is actually really easy to use. Hold a minute. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna open this window, and here we go. Well, the software is gonna get you 4 documents. There's a text file, an internet shortcut to the web page, which you can see the link over there, and don't even think about touching this one because you don't know what it's gonna be able to do to your computer. So let's get to the interesting part. Let's open the keylogger. Also, like I said, the publisher or this software, we don't even know who did it. So that's why the publisher says that the publisher is unknown. So the computer is going to ask you, you want to run it, yes or no. This is a security warning, so we're going to run it, and we're fine and dandy right now. Let's wait for this to open. The reason of why this is a little bit slow is just that I'm running it in a virtual environment. So here we are. This is emissary keylogger. As we can see over here, this is going to be executed only by Gmail users. First off, we're going to start by where do we want the email or the information from the victim to be sent to. So we're gonna use, by the way, try to use a fake email just in case. Remember my advice, always cover yourself up. So this account that I just created in Gmail, okay, I'm sorry for that, gmail.com. The password is gonna be from the email account itself. And if you want to test your keylogger, which you should always do, just click the button where it says test email. Here we go. Here you can see that it's working right now, and yeah, the message has been sent to your Gmail. Check your email, and let's check it out just to see that everything is running fine. Just to make sure that everything is running fine and that information is going to be sent to that email. Okay, so here we're in the Internet Explorer. Let's go to gmail.com. Kind of fast here, isn't it? So okay, so this is fine. This is the email that I just typed in the keylogger software. I'm just checking that everything is running fine and dandy. And here we go. Here we have the test email saying that the testing Gmail was successful. Build your keylogger right now. So perfect. Let's get started. So okay, so this is gonna be the name of the file, which is gonna be server.exe. This is going to be the interval on which the email is going to be sent. Let's say if you want to put it 15 minutes, you're going to be getting emails from your victim every 15 minutes. So let's put it to the lowest interval. Let's put it 3 minutes. These are options that you may add to your keylogger. Maybe you wanted to add it to the startup. So every time that the user restarts its computer or turn it on, the keylogger is going to run by itself. Well, many options you have here. So let's put this option over here, which seems funny. This is a fake error message. So the fake error message means that if your victim opens this file or keylogger, a window will pop up saying that there was a mistake, or there was an error on this message or whatever. Let's put it message error. Let's write let's write something funny. Fake error, unknown. Let's write something legit over here. Unknown error. So the key here is to make it as legit as possible. So this sets a message. As you can see, this is going to be the window that your victim is going to be getting. And let's click OK. Let's build the keylogger. Building the server. This server is has successfully been built. Let's get the file. The server. Let's copy it out. So what's our next move? Then our next move is to give this file to your victim, and if your victim open this file, he's gonna be keylogged. You're gonna get all this information as long as you want, if he doesn't recognize the keylogger. And I'm gonna, at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you some hints on how to recognize if you're being keylogged or not. So okay, one of the things that we wanna make here is to get, like I said, we wanna get our victim to open this file, so we can either email it or pass it through a USB drive. The USB drive, of course, is gonna be the easiest way. Let's go by the hard way, which is doing it via email or an URL. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna make some kind of a Trojan, just to get you an idea on how to do a Trojan. So let's go to the command prompt. We're gonna write cmd over here. As you can see, here is my cmd Windows. We're gonna change the directory because it's in the desktop, so we're gonna change the directory to desktop. Here we are. So now we're gonna make some kind of a Trojan just to mask it, so the file is gonna be more credible to open. So we're gonna write this code: copy /b, the name of the file, which is let's say you download this picture over here, so, and you want to combine it. So let's say Sonic, the kind of a file that this is a JPEG file, JPEG file, plus the name of your keylog and the kind of file that this is. So this is gonna be server.exe, and now the name of the Trojan itself, or the file. Let's put it homework, which is always billable. Homework.exe. Oh, there was a mistake over here. Oh, okay, so let's do it again. Okay, I know what the mistake was. My mistake is that you always gotta put the type of the file first. So it's gonna be server.exe plus sonic.jpg. Now the name of the Trojan, which is gonna be homework.exe. There you go. So now the Trojan has been built. Let's go to, and now let's make the URL. Well, one of the easiest way to make an URL is using Dropbox. So I highly, if you wanna get your friends, oh, hold on a minute. Okay, if you wanna get your friends keylogged, the easiest way is to send them an URL or by USB drive. But since we don't have your victim's computer over here, we're gonna send them a URL through email. So here we go. Let's go to dropbox.com. Dropbox.com. I'm sorry for that. Dropbox.com. There you go. Okay, let's wait until the web page opens and sign in. This is